Welcome back to our channel, fellow adventurers. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey to the tropical paradise of Sri Lanka, where we'll be exploring the 10 best camping spots the country has to offer. Hey there, fellow travelers! Sri Lanka is a hidden gem for camping enthusiasts, with its diverse landscapes and breathtaking natural beauty. So, grab your tents and get ready as we dive into the top 10 camping destinations in Sri Lanka. 1. Ella Rock Campsite. Our first stop is Ella Rock, a hiker's paradise nestled in the picturesque hill country. Set up camp atop Ella Rock and wake up to awe-inspiring sunrise views and mist-covered valleys. 2. Yala National Park. Next up, we have Yala National Park, home to diverse wildlife and mesmerizing natural landscapes. Pitch your tent near the park's boundary and get ready for an unforgettable wildlife experience. 3. Knuckles Mountain Range. For those seeking adventure and tranquility, head to the Knuckles Mountain Range. Camp amidst the lush greenery and explore the breathtaking trails that wind through misty peaks and cascading waterfalls. 4. Kumana National Park. Our fourth destination is Kumana National Park, a haven for bird lovers. Set up camp near the park's lagoons and witness an incredible variety of migratory and endemic bird species. 5. Horton Plains National Park. For a unique camping experience, visit Horton Plains National Park. Spend the night in the designated camping area and wake up to the awe-inspiring views of World's End and Baker's Falls. 6. Pasakuta Beach. Now, let's head to the East Coast and set up camp on Pasakuta Beach. With its crystal-clear turquoise waters and pristine sandy shores, this is the perfect spot for beach camping and water activities. 7. Adams Peak. If you're up for a challenge, camping near Adams Peak is a must. Begin your ascent at night and reach the summit just in time to witness a breathtaking sunrise from one of Sri Lanka's highest peaks. 8. Udawalawe National Park. For a unique wildlife camping experience, Udawalawe National Park is the place to be. Pitch your tent near the park and embark on thrilling safaris to witness herds of majestic elephants. 9. Gal Oya National Park. Next, we venture to Gal Oya National Park, a hidden gem in Sri Lanka's wilderness. Set up camp by the beautiful Senanayak Reservoir and indulge in boat safaris to spot elephants swimming in the lake. 10. Sinharaja Forest Reserve. Last but not least, we have the enchanting Sinharaja Forest Reserve. Camp near the forest's edge and immerse yourself in the sounds of nature while discovering its rich biodiversity. And that concludes our list of the top 10 camping spots in Sri Lanka. From misty mountains to stunning beaches, this tropical paradise has it all. So, get out there, explore, and make unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell too.